I thought value was all in vogue now, right? That's what part of the rotation has been about. Moving out of tech and moving into plays that are more apt to do well in this recovery. Yet you're out of Boeing and the industrials, too. So this is like a broad market statement that you're making today.
Oh, absolutely. And it's if you recall on Monday, I said 25% cash and looking to go higher. Look, I do think that there are parts of the market that'll do well. And what I'm looking to do is raise enough cash, take advantage of those. We've got PPI tomorrow. My guess is that's going to run hot also, even though, of course, we're expecting it at this point. And so I want to have the cash to go back to things that are value. And I could feed that cash by selling things. Boeing and Facebook were trades. I was very clear. I didn't need to own every FANG. So you don't hang on to trades in this kind of market. So I'm out of those.
All right. So, watching the Dow's down by better than 400 points now. We're at the lows of the day across the board. There you go. Dow's down 433. S&P's now down 1.5%. The Nasdaq's down 2.25%. That's a loss now of 3%. We're at the lows of the day across the board. Yield, the 10-year yield, is at the highest levels of the day. It's at 168. Jim Lebenthal, you sold one of your big winners, Orbcom. It's had a massive run. You've been the one guy on the show who's been bullish, more so than everybody else. Now you're telling me that the market's pulling back and now you're nervous? Now you're selling some of the winners?
I'm not. Geez, Scott, you're gone for one day and you think I'm nervous? I'm not nervous in the slightest bit. Orbcom is being purchased by a private equity company, so the price today is all you're ever going to see from that company. It's been a great company. It's up 15% per annum over the last 10 years. I'm really happy with it, but the share price is now flatlined. This is what it's going to be purchased for. So there's no reason to hang on to it. I'm going to take that cash. I'm going to redeploy it. I'm looking at some of these darling hyper-growth companies, these Twilios, Rokus of the world. And Scott, this may surprise you, but I'm now thinking you can actually value these stocks. Twilio down about 40% from its high. I actually wanted to buy it today. But, look at the day. This is a day to wait. This is not a day to start deploying cash.
Wait till when? Perspective. Wait till when? Wait for what? What's the sign you're looking for?
Possibly tomorrow.
No, hold on.
Possibly tomorrow.
Hold on, please. If today is not the day, right, what is the signal you're waiting for to know that it is?
Bottoming is a process, okay? The stock is setting a new low today, at least as far as this year goes. I could nibble at it, and I'm going to nibble at it over time, but I'd rather do it on a day when it's going up. I'm going to take a toehold in it, and I'm going to wait for a day that it's in the green. Let me say this, because this is important. We're doing a lot of hand-wringing about this week, but 3 days ago, we had that lousy jobs report. The Fed was to the sidelines, and the market rallied. So you can expect this back and forth for the coming weeks. There's no reason to think that we're not going to be going back up. This is just the volatility that comes with the second year of a recovery off the lows. But I'm not buying on a down day. It's just not good practice.
Okay, so Carrie Firestone, you have made a very interesting move that just jumps off my page. I mentioned how a lot of these ARK-like stocks are getting slammed. It's a lot of different things, obviously. It's the cloud stocks are getting slammed. The FANGs can't get any traction. The ARK stocks are really getting hit. You bought more Peloton. You have to tell me about this.
Yeah. Well, we first bought Peloton around 100. It was down from 160, and we'd been waiting for it to get there for a long time. And then they had the problem with the treadmill, and the stock went to 80. And we decided if we liked it at 100, we loved it at 80, and they can get through the process as Lululemon did and Tesla did and many other companies that are fast growers have through difficult situations where they had a product recall or they had something that damaged their reputation for a while or their stock for a while. And at $80 a share, you can certainly value this company on a multiple of earnings. We can easily see when they'll earn $3 a share, and we thought that makes sense. So this is the type of market environment that gives you these opportunities. You have to have the nerves and the stomach to do it. And it's an investment for the long term. We don't trade as much as Steve does. I think all the moves that Steve has made in the short term make a lot of sense. But we're not doing it that way. We have a portfolio of 35 names, high conviction names, and they range from reopening trades to very big mega growth to financials and the type of stock that are great for a value investor as well. This is a growth name that we like a lot, and we thought it made a huge amount of sense right here, and it's up from where we bought it.